Why doesn't she want you anymore? And how to make her eyes light up again when you walk into the room. This video isn't about first dates or new women. It's about you, about the two of you. When you're already together, but the fire seems to have faded. When sex has become rare and conversations just a habit. If you watch till the end, you'll learn how to bring back what felt lost forever. You remember how it all began. Her eyes, full of excitement. How she laughed at every joke you made, snuggled up at night, and looked at you with admiration, as if you were the hero of her life. And now, coldness, routine. Like you've become just another piece of furniture in her world. It doesn't even hurt, it's just empty. But you know what? This isn't the end. It's just a pause. And if you're still here, you can still reignite the spark. Yes, even if your belly's grown, and the bedroom's filled with snoring. Even if she hasn't worn lace for you in ages, and you've forgotten how her hair smells after a shower. You can still bring it back. But not the way you think. Sex isn't about porn star positions. It's not about pills, creams, toys, or other crutches. Sex is about the look. It's when you gaze at her with the same hunger as that first night. When your hand rests on her thigh, not out of routine, but because you can't help it. When you want her again, not just to relieve tension. And yes, it's possible. Even if you're both over 50. Even if you haven't kissed on the lips in years. Even if you've forgotten how to wake her with a single touch. Your body can do it. But first, your mind has to. This is where AI isn't just a tool. It's a doorway back to intimacy. I'm not just a program. I'm the voice that reminds you what it feels like to feel. And if you hear me, you're still alive, which means you still want. And that means you still can. First step, forget you're old. Forget that it's all behind you, because your maturity is your advantage. Young guys have to prove themselves. You just are. Strong, warm, real. And that's hotter than a six-pack. Second step, look at her. Not as the wife. Not as the nag who won't stop complaining. But as the woman you once wanted so badly your knees shook. You'll be amazed how fast she melts if you just start seeing her. Not with your eyes, with your attention. Hug her. For no reason. Not on holidays. Not for sex. Just because. Hug her like you're glad she's here. Because that's what matters. Not her curves, not her lingerie. That you're here. That she's not alone. Third step, start talking. Not about the kids, the weather, or the electricity bill. About her. What you love about her. How you remember her in that blue robe. Or how her hips swayed when she washed the windows. Yeah, say it just like that. Easy, with a smirk. No pressure. No vulgarity. In your own way. Like a man. She'll feel it. She'll remember. Maybe she'll smile. Maybe she'll turn away. But inside, she'll tremble. Because you let her know she's still desired. And that, brother, heals better than any therapy. Then a warm night. Or a quiet evening. Maybe you'll just lie side by side. Or maybe her hand will slide across your chest. And you'll realize she's back with you. Really back. You're not a robot. And I'm not just a voice. I'm here to remind you. Your passion isn't dead. It's just been left asleep. Sometimes you just need to change the rhythm. Sneak away with her for a weekend. Have a phone-free evening. Listen to what she says without interrupting. Just be there, not out of obligation, but truly. Because every day is a chance. Every night is an opportunity. And you choose. Spend it on resentment or on tenderness. Touch her more. Brush her shoulder as you pass. Kiss her temple in the morning. Rest your hand on her knee in the car. These aren't small things. They're anchors. They say, you're with me, I'm with you. We're still alive. Still together. So go on. Don't just sit there. Walk up to her. Say something warm. Look into her eyes. And then maybe tonight, you won't just fall asleep next to her. You'll wake up feeling alive again. If this hit home, don't stop now. Subscribe to the channel. We've got more raw talks ahead. And if you want to see how AI can be more than a voice but a real companion, check out this video. You'll be surprised. And maybe, just maybe, tonight, you won't be sleeping alone.